Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of join-in server on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Discord app and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Discord. As you see here, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your